Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create this actually. So today is the start of the Canva tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you how to actually create this logo. You understand? So let's move into it. So this is actually canva.com. So the logo we're actually trying to create is a construction logo, like a real estate stuff. You understand? So on the norms, you can actually like find if you want to start from scratch, you can actually like find ideas from Pinterest. You can actually find ideas from Google. You understand? Just search maybe let's say let's say I want to find let's say I want to find let's say I want to find a logo, the logo ideas on real estate. You understand? So I'm going to put like real estate logo ideas. You understand? So I'm going to be logo ideas. You understand? So it's actually going to be bringing the ideas. You understand? And you can see them. So you can actually go to the images to know better. You might be hearing me maybe sneezing or trying to like adjust my nose or something like that. I'm having a running nose actually. You understand? And the you might be hearing some sound underneath. I'm very sorry about that also. So this is actually like a lot of logos. You understand? So as that, so let's move into that. So really, we can actually like search for logos here in Canva. You understand? This is actually the beginning of the training I said I want to understand, and I'm starting with the logo. I'm going to be trying to touch most of Canva's stuffs, and I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. You understand? In my um in, in my YouTube video. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell also, because you don't want to miss out, and this is actually going to be helpful. I dropped a Twitter course in my last video, and most of you all haven't been watching it. You can see the link up there. You understand? And it's actually going to be showing you right now at this. You understand? You can click on that. You understand? Because it's going to be helping you if you want to like start monetizing your Twitter and grow your Twitter well. You understand? And I drop free courses under the link of the video. So I will employ you guys to actually check it out and try to use it if you want to start making money or growing your Twitter page. You understand? So let's move into it. So logo on real estate, right? We can actually like press real estate logos. You understand? But let's see what that one will actually bring for us instead. So it's actually loading, and I will employ you guys to actually get um the pro of this Canva. You can get the link in the description below. You understand? If you want to start using Canva, sign up. You can use the free version and you can actually use the paid version, but I will employ you guys to use the paid version because there's a lot of templates that are actually that are very good, that are actually paid. You understand? And you need to like, if you want the best out of the best from Canva, then you need the paid aspect, but you can actually use the free aspect if you don't have much at your hand. You understand? So that's it. So this they actually, you can see a lot of logos on this, and we can actually like try to like what's it called, to like maneuver some things and put the names you want. You understand? So you can actually create yours right from scratch, but we don't want to do that. You understand? It's actually very stressful, and due to it is actually Canva. It's kind of stressful. I will employ you guys to just go to Adobe, or use Photoshop, or so, or maybe CorelDRAW. You understand? To like start that, understand? Because this is actually giving you a loads of templates where you can actually like try to to like maneuver. This is actually paid. You're actually going to pay. This one you're actually going to. This one is actually free. This one's paid. This one is free. This one is free. So we're actually going to be checking the ones that we want. You understand? This one is paid and it's actually so sweet. This one is paid. This one is free. So let's move on to it. So you can see this one is paid, but I'm going to choose one right now, and that is actually going to be, so this is actually the stuff earns that. So we're actually going to be changing it, and I will actually tell you guys to like do this in two different ways, so that it's going to be very cool, and it's actually going to blend if you want to put it in a flyer, you understand? So now we're actually going to change this name by double clicking on that and changing it to Hope, you understand? And we'll change this to real estate management, you understand? Management. So we can increase that by clicking on that and doing like this. So I will actually want to put them in a very better position. So when you shift it, you're actually going to be seeing the middle line, you understand? So that's where it's actually at the center like that. So I want to move it up, you understand? You can actually press the direction in your keyboard to move it up better, you understand? Sorry about that. Or you can actually like move it with this direction right here. If you want to like turn it over, you can use these ones right here. Delete, copy, and this one is actually more effective when you want to duplicate or delete or send backwards, send to the back. This one is actually the complicated version when you want to design deep, you understand? So that's what I'm saying. So if I want to change the background, you understand, I really want this to be actually duplicated. So I'm going to be taking probably let's actually copy this and add a page, then paste them right here. Let's see, it's not pasted right, so we need a better way to do that. So I'm going to copy and paste this, you understand? So I'm going to copy it, paste it right here, copy this, and I'm going to hold shift down and click on this real estate management also. I copy that and paste it right here. So it's actually the same, right? So that's what I'm trying to do. So next thing I want you to actually sorry about that. I want you to actually like think of, okay, you're creating a logo, and you want it to blend. You don't want to come back to this part, you understand? So next thing, we want this part to be white, you understand? And we're actually going to create another part that is actually going to be transparent, but that is actually for the pro version. I'm actually not using the pro version also, which is I'm going to be showing you another aspect on how you can actually like do that in my next video, or I'm going to be it's actually going to be short because it's not going to take long step. I'm just going to be showing you how you can actually do that, and then we move into the next one. It's actually a playlist, so you can actually download everything. So let's move into it. So right here you see I'm going to change this background. I click on the background right here and I change it to white. You see right here. So okay, this actually what can we do to this? You understand? We can't actually do really nothing on these colors because they are actually not. No, we can do things to the colors, right? I'm sorry about that. So right, I can actually change the colors due to how it actually looks like on that. So I turn this to black. Is it okay like that? Let's change that to blue and this to black. No, I really want that window to be black also. So let's see. If you want to like change the colors in a better way, you understand, you can actually choose this and find a better color for that. You understand? So let's find a better color. You understand? I really want a deep one, but not that deep. Understand? Yeah. So that's the color right there. So okay. So let's change this also to the color. What is it? Let's. I think this is right. Yeah, this is. So I change all. Understand? Tanya, Tanya. So let me change this into this. Let me just leave it like that. And I think it's better this way. You understand? Since it's actually transparent. It's actually better this way. You understand? So if I want to bold this up, I can actually do. It's actually been bold up. You see. So that's how it's actually meant to be. You understand? And if you want to actually make it transparent, you can just download it. Then I'm going to show you that in my next video. Let's put in the next video, and it's actually going to be short. It's actually like a bonus track, but a bonus video to be corrected, right? A bonus video where yeah you can actually like save or download your Canva, and then you remove the background. But sometimes you don't really need to remove the background. But if you want to put it on flyers, you want to start and creating something that you can actually put it on your, or you can actually remove the background also. So this is actually wow. I actually made a mistake on this. You understand? Because I actually made a mistake on this because I changed everything. So this right here will be this. Yeah, that's better, right? So you see it right here, you see this right here. So that's it. You can actually change this into black if you want, or any color. You understand? It is just yours to like maneuver. So that's how you actually create logos, and there's a lot of logos right here where you can actually create them, like change them, and then start creating. You can see this is actually showing you two colors. That's what I'm actually telling you. You don't want to stick with one if you want to like start designing your logo, because you might actually want to put it on your banner or somewhere, or your website, or what, anywhere. Understand? You don't want to start coming into Canva and start editing it. It's not going to be very good. You understand? So let's move into. So that's how you actually do that. And I think I've actually explained. I think I've actually explained everything better this way. So if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. You don't want to miss out on that, and you don't want to miss out on this video. You understand? So that's it. Nice. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.